Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about how to change currency in your WordPress website with WooCommerce. So as we see, this is dollar. You can see here also write again the dollar sign, or our products are in dollar price. We want to change into some other currency. So how to change it to like rupees in our WordPress website by WooCommerce. So open your dashboard, then you have to go into WooCommerce, then settings. Click on the settings menu, then you have to scroll down to currency options. The following options affect how prices are displayed on the front end. So I am going to choose like rupee, Indian rupee sign. Then I have to click on this save changes button. Your settings have been saved successfully. Then I'm going to refresh this page again. As you can see, this is in rupee. So our currency have been changed. This is a very simple process. Again, I am going to change it back to in dollars, United States US dollar. I have to choose this one. Then I have to click on this save changes button. Now if I refresh this page, it's in dollar. So this is how we can change the currency of our products in WooCommerce and WordPress based websites. Thank you.